Okay, I'm going to go over a problem where we have to create a linear equation using the point slope equation. So I have the point slope equation here. It's y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. These are the three things that we have to replace, and that is normally given. So for example, if they have, the question will say it has a slope of -3 and it goes through the point of 1 and 5. And so right away I should know my x1 and my y1 is right there. So I'm just gonna label everything here. I got -3, my x1 is 1, and my y1 is 5. So I'm just gonna bring down my y minus equals parentheses x minus parentheses. Now I'm going to plug in my y1 is 5. My slope is -3. And then my x1 is 1. That's my answer.